What's the meaning of critically? Critically. Critically.
Critically. Critically. The term critically carries the connotation of being analytical, evaluative, and discerning. A critical analysis involves examining a subject or issue in depth to arrive at an informed judgment or assessment. This approach requires careful consideration of available evidence and various perspectives. The resulting evaluation is typically nuanced, with strengths and weaknesses identified and discussed. Such an analysis can help to uncover underlying assumptions or potential biases and inform further discussion or decision-making. Overall, being critical implies a thoughtful and thorough approach to understanding a subject in order to make well-informed judgments.